Hi guys, this is me too. If you're new to my channel, I mainly do the vintage journal and sometimes do the stationery unboxing and haul. Today I'm going to show you my brand new Korean traveler's notebook and comparing it to my other TNs. The brand name is Hevitz and it is A6 size natural leather. As you can see, this is firm hand leather with very smooth finish. I had to condition it with carrot essence for about a month because the natural leather is easily scratched and also vulnerable to water stain. I repeatedly applied essence on the surface of the leather for exactly 30 days, and it is getting darker and even moisturized than ever. And surprisingly, I can see its original textures like striations or wrinkles on the spine. I mean, more remarkably after essensing it. The next one is Sojourner passport-sized traveler's notebook. This cover is suede and its texture is so soft and warm like it's sand color. Comparing it to Hevits, it is much thinner and flexible. And of course, it is prone to be scratched. I'm gonna show you my Sojourner TN setup so quickly. Zipper pouch, handmade notebook, of course made by me, and the leather folder, also it is from Sojourner, and another handmade notebook also made by me. I personally like this very much because of its vintage mood. And the next one is Shakespeare's Passport Classic TN. And the leather is Fergus. It is a second chance product, but it looks like perfect. The thickness of the leather is similar to Hevits, but this one is much more flexible. I think it is medium hand leather. And another difference is inner side of the leather. Hevits is cork-like texture, while Shakespeare's is softly finished. And here is another setup, and you can see baby lions and chic character made by me. Zipper pouch, mini notebook from Daiso, and plastic folders and writing board. And the last one is my vision board. And I like my Fergus because of its color variations from golden brown to olive green. It's pretty amazing. And the next one is finally Traveler's Factory's Traveler's Notebook. There's no need to tell you about this brand because it is so famous. This name tells everything. Premium leather and beautiful appearance. I think this notebook is so special. That's why it is a steady seller. Turning back to the point, mine is blue. I expected to get suede like leather, but it is totally smooth. I was very disappointed and put it in the drawer for more than 2 years. But don't worry, now I'm using it as my money diary. Comparing blue TN to my Hevits, it is thinner and more softer and much more flexible. Maybe the Hevits leather cover is the thickest and hardest one among all the TNs that I have. Alright, I once uploaded my blue traveler's notebooks money diary setup before, so I will leave a link in the description box. So in this video, I introduced my Korean TN and 4 different leather traveler's notebook comparison. Hope you enjoyed my video, and if you like it, please subscribe to my channel. And it's time to say goodbye. Bye.